The Puffin board is an AI-powered teleoperation module that features a dual CPU architecture SoC and 4G LTE cellular connectivity with an on-chip NPU. It supports remote video and audio transmission, control, and sensor data collection, making it a versatile solution for teleoperation, telemetry, and various remote robotics applications. With Puffin, you can transform your existing remote control devices into advanced remote control solutions, turning a standard RC car into a 4G-enabled vehicle, allowing for seamless control from anywhere. Or take your hobby to new heights by upgrading a quadcopter drone to operate globally, delivering real-time video and data. Develop a fixed-wing aircraft with global control capabilities, or get creative with a remote transport vehicle designed for efficient delivery. Puffin empowers you to innovate and enhance your robotics projects. Puffin board leverages WebRTC technology for video transmission and control, delivering a powerful and highly efficient solution. Through our proprietary algorithms, we've optimized the system to achieve ultra-low latency, with video transmission delays below 100 milliseconds. This ensures smooth, real-time interaction and responsiveness. The Puffin board integrates seamlessly with your system, offering flexible control options via PWM output or UART. Our demo software provides an intuitive interface, making it easy to implement and control the board's functions with minimal setup. Our control software is web-based, providing seamless cross-platform compatibility. Whether you're using a phone, computer, or AR/VR device, as long as it can open a web page, you can easily manage and control the system anytime, anywhere. Puffin features on-device AI with an integrated NPU for local computation, enabling advanced functions like face tracking, gesture recognition, and body detection to enhance your project's capabilities. Puffin, your gateway to low-latency, high-performance remote operation. Discover what's possible.